here first we need to create a folder with our required name, and then within this folder we need to create one more folder with the name web-inf, and within this folder we need to create one more folder that is called classes, and within this folder we need to prepare our Servlet program, whatever the program required for the preparation of Servlet. So like this, and then we need to compile this program from command prompt. To copy the path here to classes, and then we need to compile this program like this. Okay, our program compiled successfully without any errors, and after the compilation of this program we need to prepare an XML document, and this is the structure of XML document to identify the Servlet. So here the Servlet name is mandatory. Yes, you can give your required name, no problem. And here the second tag, Servlet class name. So here the class name, whatever the class name you have mentioned for the Servlet, so the same class name, class file name should be mentioned here within this tag without any extension. And second part, Servlet mapping. Here the Servlet name is constant, whatever the name you have mentioned here again need to be mentioned in Servlet mapping tag. And one more tag, special tag required here, that is called URL pattern. It is mandatory. Without this we are not able to prepare and we are not able to run this prepared Servlet in Tomcat server. So that's why this URL pattern is mandatory. And simply it is in subpath. Yes, here also you can mention your required name, but when you are compiling this Servlet, when you are running the Servlet program on the Tomcat server, this pattern, whatever the URL pattern mentioned here, should be mentioned after the where file name. Otherwise you will get 404 error, resource not available, like that. And you need to save this program with the .xml extension, and it may be showed like this. So finally we have two approaches to deploy this application. One is manual configuration. So as per the manual configuration, you can place this prepared WAR file directly in root path. This is one way, and another way. So before that we'll see how to create a WAR file. Yes, this path is required to prepare the WAR file. Here need to copy the path up to app only, not required to enter in web-inf. Okay. So for the creation of WAR file, yes, it is also same as jar file. We need to utilize the options CVF. Yes, if you want to know the information related to CVF, yes, you can press jar CVF here at command prompt. Yes, you will see C stands for create a new archive, and V stands for generate a verbose output on standard output. So specify an archive file name. Yes. So jar CVF followed by here servlet name. Yes, it is required to remember one important point at this moment. So here better to mention the var file name as a servlet class name or servlet file name. Okay, hello world dot var. This extension is mandatory, don't forget this, followed by star. Okay, so it automatically creates a var file at web-inf folder. So we need to upload this var file only in the Tomcat server. Yes, now we will see how to deploy this. Say http localhost, then you can see your Tomcat server here, and you need to select manage app, and here my password is admin. Yes, you can go through your password details. Right, select your generated var file and then press deploy. Yes, it is enough to deploy the servlet, prepared servlet. Yes, here if it is enabled, that indicates your servlet not started to serve the people HTTP requests from the various clients. So that's why we need to check whether it is started or not. If it seems like this, yes, it indicates the servlet was started. If it seems like this, it indicates your servlet was not started right now. So it was started. Now we will check the servlet. Yes, if you select that option, yes, you may see this error. Why? Because here you need to mention pattern, whatever the pattern given in the HTML file. If you enter the pattern here, then you will see the output, actual output, what you prepared related to this output in your servlet program. Okay, so this is the way to deploy this one. Yes. Now we will see where this .var file, hello world .var file was placed when we deploy. Yes, we will check right now. Yes, so whatever the file you are deployed there, yes, that file will automatically be placed here. So here we have some more examples actually. Yes, these are manual configuration files. Okay, so these when you go through this, your files may not have that much of security. There is a possibility to change the servlet code and class files and configuration files. So better to use var files. It gives somewhat more security than manual configuration approach. Okay, thanks for watching.